What up, y'all? Sweepy Luck 22 here, back at it with another one. If you'd like to see how I turn my bathroom from this to this, please stay tuned.
And welcome to my bathroom. And as you see from the title of the video, today we are going to do a DIY. So this is how my bathroom currently looks. Drab, tired, and yellow, sis. Like, this yellow lighting has got to go. This is what my current sink looks like. It's just boring, drab. Last year I tried to dazzle it up with some extra knobs that I had from another project, but sis, it ain't doing it. Like, it's still boring. So we're gonna be using marble contact paper all along here, along the sides, also the sides of here. This whole entire thing is going to be marble. Also, these sides of the floor, can you guys see there? I'm going to try to focus. The sides here, I'm going to try to put marble all around there as well, just to bring up some pizzazz.
These are just some old toys my son no longer really plays with in a tub anymore. And on top is just a cleaning rack that I use for the bathroom. I'm going to spray paint both of these shelves gold. This is actually my towel rack, but I never use it for towels. I do have a linen closet at the end of the hallway. So yeah.
And then right here, I have these hooks that have been here since I moved in. I never hang my towels here or my bathrobe here. So I'm just going to remove that and put a mirror here that I currently have in my bedroom. But yeah, we're just gonna turn this up. I may change this or wash it, one or the other. So the plan here is to change the lighting. We need daytime lights because this yellow light ain't having it. This is currently it is 100-watt regular lights, and it was doing the job, and now sis, I'm over it. I need daylight lights, okay? So we're gonna change that. We're also gonna change this as well. Instead of buying a whole new fixture, I don't know if you guys can see that. There's like rust on this thing. Can you guys see that? Instead of buying a whole new fixture, I'm just gonna spray paint this either gold or silver. You'll find out what color I use in the next clip, but we're just gonna spray paint this whole entire thing. And yeah, man, we're gonna revamp. We are gonna revamp because this bathroom says no.
So in these next 3 clips, you'll see everything that's needed for my DIY bathroom facelift. Everything in total was about $90. And these I got from Dollar General. I purchased 3 of the same size, and for the third one, I just cut it to fit around the bottom of my toilet stool. Once this color dried, I realized this was not the silver I was looking for. I wanted the shiny finish. Luckily, I'm an artist and I always have spray paint in my house, so I went ahead and sprayed over it with the shiny silver finish. So at the end, you'll see the shiny touch. This is more of a matte silver. At the end, it will be a shiny silver. What a huge difference daytime lights make in your bathroom. Amazing. Okay, so this part here, I noticed once everything was completed that there was a line of demarcation closer towards the thigh area, and I did not like that. So off camera, I actually removed this whole entire thing off of the counter and started over, and that line of demarcation was actually closer towards the mirror, if that makes sense, instead of closer towards the thigh area. That way, if it catches anyone's eye, it's closer to the mirror. Moving forward, I'll get a larger dimension. I believe this is a 17 by 78, so next time I'll just get a bigger size. On this part here, I'm removing all of the knobs, hinges, and screws from the doors to make it easier to apply the contact paper onto the doors. So in this part here, I'm actually using a lot of the leftover pieces from the top countertop. Like I mentioned in the previous clip, I actually redid the whole entire top counter, and I have a lot of little leftover pieces, so I figured I'll just put them here because for the most part, the doors will be closed. This is my personal upstairs bathroom, so no one's gonna see this. I'm just feeling for the holes, the initial holes, and I'm going to place a hole with the screw so that I'll know where to put the hinges once everything is completed. So it's always important to kind of poke a hole where the original hole is so that you'll see where to place your hinges once everything is done. Please tell me why this random hairball had to make an appearance. I'm so embarrassed. Okay, so this part here, I was actually inspired by Notorious KIA here on YouTube. I noticed when she did one of her wash day routines, she had the leaves hanging in the shower, and I just love that vibe. So I kind of borrowed it from her.